creation. War and peace shape every nation. From ancient battles to the modern time, still Jah Light shine truth in every line. All the peace, all the faith, even when the world vibrates. Good and evil collide non-stop, but righteousness rise to the top. Good and evil are fight from creation. Evil are good and evil are from long time. Mankind love war. Babylon kingdom them rise and fall far. Like Rome versus Carthage in a Punic fight. Empire clash for power, no love inside. Then Sparta and then philosophy and blade. Two parts of life, iron fist and wisdom made. Evil China hold iron seas war be thrown. History writing blood, but justice never shown. Still Rasta walk with Jah plan in hand. From catapult days to the modern tech, only peace can heal what war wreck. In a World War I, the whole globe shake. Nations marching in trenches, too much heartbreak. Then World War II bring darker scene. Holocaust horror, wicked and obscene. Cold War tension, no bullet but fear. Nuclear shadow hang over every hemisphere. Vietnam, Korea, desert fight too. Soldiers and civilians feel pain, them never choose to. But Rasta hold peace like ultimate shield. Love stronger than any battlefield. Good and evil are fight from creation. Good and evil are good and evil are. Fight from creation. Humanity search for elevation. War bring destruction, peace bring life. Only righteousness cut through strife. But the biggest war now fight outside the day in a man. Heart where evil light the war. Right first, wrong truth first, a lie. Raise your vibers and let your spirit die. Jah Light know the struggle from long. Temptation strong but faith more strong. So me chant truth for the youth them here. Goodness win when your mind stay clear. And when the bombs fall, mama ball. When peace reign, life stand tall. History repeat, mankind forget, but Jah remind we love conquer it, yeah. Good and evil, a war